Okay. This is Ava. And for some reason, Ava likes to be on my porch. Don't know why. Can you say hi, Ava? She says, no, don't get me. Ava! Such a big girl. Hi, Ava. See all of my poor thing, and Summer has a fit every time. I'm barefoot, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to go out here. And it's raining. Yesterday I went out in the rain too. Some animal ate my sweet pepper plant. I'm so sad. Hopefully it survives. Hi, Ash. Can you say hi? Hi, Sky. Here comes Blanche. I'm going to go check about eggs. Let's see. Oh, look what we've got. We've got an Araucana egg and another egg, one of the other chickens. So today we've got 2 eggs so far. We have an egg in here? No, just a fake egg. So we're missing 2 eggs. So 2 of our girls didn't lay. Oh, chicks! We got chicks. That's Sky. Hi, Sky. And the black one is Ash. This one is Turchick or something of that sort. Jacob named her. That one is Violet. That's Sky. That is Dorothy. Let me see. This one is Rose. So I named 3 of my chickens after the Golden Girls. And then we've got chickens out here. Isn't that cool? And here comes the rain. They're running underneath the bush. And those are my chickens.